I'll be showing how to change the handing on the latch LCE. To change the handing on the latch LCE, you'll grab your key and you'll insert it into the cylinder. Once your key has been inserted into the cylinder, you're going to want to turn your key at a 45-degree angle in either direction. Once your key has been turned at a 45-degree angle, you'll grab your spanner wrench and insert it into the slot on the side of the lever. You'll press down on the slot and pull your lever at the same time. Your lever should come off. After your lever has been removed, you're going to want to grab your bearing and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. After your bearing has been removed, you turn your trim and you'll grab your lock body and turn it at a 180-degree angle. After you turn your lock body, make sure that the cable aligns to the channel underneath the lock body so as to not pinch it. You're going to want to turn your trim around. You'll grab your bearing and you'll turn it clockwise to tighten. As soon as you feel your bearing begin to get tight, press your trim against the bearing and turn your bearing counterclockwise until you hear a click and it stops. After you hear a click and it stops, you're going to want to release your trim and start turning your bearing once more. When you start turning your bearing once again, press your trim against the bearing again. You're gonna hear another click and another stop. Once that happens, you grab your lever once again and place it on the trim. You have now changed the handing on the latch LCE.